Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shrimatre Namaha. Welcome to Veda Janani. Narayaniyam, Dashakam 8, Mahapralaya and Jagat Srishti. All the shlokas in Dashakam 8 will be chanted in different vritams. I will tell the vritam names when I say the shloka numbers also. Shloka 1, Vritam Shalini. Krishna, after the end of this Prakrita Pralaya, came the first Kalpa, which is known as Brahma Kalpa. God Brahma was the first to come into existence. He got the knowledge of Vedas from you and started Srishti or creation as in the previous Kalpa. Evam tavat prakrita prakshayante ब्राह्मे कल्पे ह्यादिमे लब्धजन्मा ब्रह्मा भूयस्त्वत्तयेवाप्यवेदान् सृष्टिं चक्रे पूर्वकल्पोपमानाम्. Second speed. एवं तावत् प्राकृत प्रक्षयान्ते ब्राह्मे कल्पे ह्यादिमे लब्धजन्मा ब्रह्मा भूयस्त्वत्तयेवाप्यवेदान् सृष्टिं चक्रे पूर्वकल्पोपमानाम्. श्लोका 2, वृत्तं वसन्ततिलकम्. परन्दामा, 1000 Chaturyugam makes 1 day of Brahma, and equal duration is his night. During his day, he creates and sleeps at night. His night is called Naimittika Pralaya. Along with his creation, he sleeps and merges in you. Soyam Chaturyuga Sahasra Mitanyahani Tavan Mitascharajanir Bahusho Yininayam Nidratya Sautvayi Niliya Samam Swasrishtaihi Naimittika Pralaya Mahurato Syaratrim. Second speed. Soyam Chaturyuga Sahasra Mitanyahani Tavan Mitascharajanir Bahusho Ninaya Nidratya Sautvayi Niliya Samam Swasrishtaihi Naimittika Pralaya Mahurato Syaratrim. Shloka 3, Vrittam Vasanta Tilakam. Krishna, Brahma, with your grace and blessings, goes on with creation every day, just as humans wake up in the morning and start daily duties. For those who were born before Brahma Kalpa also wake up at the dawn in the new Kalpa is like getting up from sleep. Asmadrisham punarahar mukhakrit तुल्यं सृष्टिं करोत्यनुदिनं सबभवत् प्रसादात् प्राग्ब्रह्मकल्पजनुषां च परायुषां तु सुप्तप्रबोधनसमास्थितदा विसृष्टिः. Second speech. अस्मादृशां पुनरहर मुखकृत्य तुल्यं सृष्टिं करोदनुदिनं सबभवत् प्रसादात् प्राग्ब्रह्मकल्पजनुषां च परायुषां तु सुप्तप्रबोधनसमास्थितदा विसृष्टिः. श्लोका 4, वृत्तं वसन्ततिलकम्. Guruvayurappa, Brahma has now completed 1 parardha or half of his age, 50 years. Krishna, let me now narrate your strange sportive activities during previous night of Brahma and next beginning or morning of the present Parardha. One Parardha is 50 years of Brahma. In human years, 2 Parardhas are 3 crores 11 lakhs 4,000 crores years. Let's chant. पञ्चाशदब्दम् अधुना स्ववयोर्धरूपम् एकं परार्धम् अतिवृत्य हि वर्तते सौ तत्रान्त्यरात्रिजनितान् कथयामि भूमन् पश्चाद्दिनावतरणे च भवद्विलासान्. Second speed. पञ्चाशदब्दम् अधुना स्ववयोर्धरूपम् एकं परार्धमतिवृत्य हि वर्तते सौ तत्रान्त्यरात्रिजनितान् कथयामि भूमन् पश्चाद्दिनावतरणे च भवद्विलासान्. श्लोका 5. वृत्तम् उपेन्द्र वज्रा. Krishna, Guruvayurappa, at the end of his day after creation, Brahma, feeling sleepy, merged with you. The world also took refuge in your abdomen, and the universe became a huge ocean of water. Dinavasanetha sarojayonihi sushuptikamastvai sannililye जगन्ति छत्वज्जठरं समीयुः तदेदम् एकार्णवमास विश्वम्. Second speed. दिनावसानेऽथ सरोजयोनिः सुषुप्तिकामस्त्वयि सन्निलिल्ये जगन्ति छत्वज्जठरं समीयुः तदेदम् एकार्णवमास विश्वम्. श्लोका 6. वृत्तम् उपेन्द्र वज्रा. Narayana, when the entire universe was submerged in water, you, the soul of complete bliss, was resting on Adisesha, the king of serpents, who is again a manifestation of yourself, and you were absorbed in Yoga Nidra in a state of pure bliss. Tavaiva veshe phanirajisheshe jalaikasheshe bhuvane smasheshe anandasandraanubhavaswarupaha swayoganidra parimudritatma. Second speed. Tavaiva veshe phanirajisheshe jalaikasheshe bhuvane smasheshe anandasandraanubhavaswarupaha swayoganidra parimudritatma. Shloka 7. Vrittam Upendra Vajra. Krishna, the host of forces Kala Shakti, the time, remain merged with you. Though you have commanded the Kala Shakti to awaken you at the end of Pralaya, which is indulged in Yoga Nidra. Kalakhya Shaktim Pralayavasane Prabodhayetyadishata Kiladau Tvaya Prasuptam Parisupta Shakti Vrajena Tatra Khila Jiva Dhamnam. Second speed. Kalakya Shaktim Pralayavasane Prabodhayetyadishata Kiladau Tvaya Prasuptam Parisupta Shakti Vrajena Tatra Khila Jiva Dhamnam. Shloka 8. Upendra Vajra Vrittam. Here, Bhattatri addresses him as Vishwanatha. Natha is head, Vishwam means universe. Hey Vishwanatha, the Kala Shakti woke up first and woke you up after you had slept for 1000 fourfold yugas, that is 1000 chaturyugas. Chaturyuganam cha sahasramevam. चतुर्युगानां च सहस्रमेवं त्वयि प्रसूक्ते पुनरद्वितीये कालाख्यशक्तिप्रथमप्रबुद्धा प्रबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ. Second speed. चतुर्युगानां च सहस्रमेवं त्वयि प्रसूक्ते पुनरद्वितीये कालाख्यशक्तिप्रथमप्रबुद्धा प्रबोधयत्वां किल विश्वनाथ. श्लोका 9 वृत्तम उपजाति. Hey Krishna, you were lying in the ocean bed Jalagarbhasayin. When you awoke, your blessed and Karuna Drishti was at all the worlds which merged within yourself. Vishveshu dadatha drishtim. Vibhudhyachatvam jalagarbhashayin vilokya lokan akhilan pralinan teshveva sukshmat mataya nijantaha स्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददात दृष्टिं. Second speed. विबुध्य च त्वं जलगर्भशायिन् विलोक्य लोकान् अखिलान् प्रलीनान् तेष्वेव सूक्ष्मात् मतया निजान्तः स्थितेषु विश्वेषु ददात दृष्टिं. श्लोका 10 वृत्तम उपजाति. Narayana, then there sprouted from your navel an exotic divine lotus bud, Nabirandhra Kinchana Divya Padmam, which collectively has the essence of all the subjects merged within yourself. Tadattvadiyat ayinabhirandhrat उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मं निलीननिःशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपं मुकुलायमानम्. Second speed. तदत्वदीयात् अयिनाभिरन्ध्रात् उदञ्चितं किञ्चन दिव्यपद्मं निलीननिःशेषपदार्थमाला संक्षेपरूपं मुकुलायमानम्. श्लोका 11 वृत्तम उपजाति. हे Madhava, the divine lotus bud which originated from you rose above the water and spread its radiating light. Paritaspuradbhihi swadamabhi, all around, by removing the surrounded darkness completely. Dvantamalam nyakrantat. Tadetat ambhoruha kudmalam te kalebarato yapathe prarudham bahirniritam paritaspuradbhihi swadhamabhirdvantamalam nyakrantat. Second speed. तदेतदम्भोरुह कुड्मलं ते कळेभरातो यपथे प्ररूढं बहिर्निरीतं परितस्फुरद्भिः स्वधामभिर्द्वान्तमलं न्यकृन्तत्. श्लोका 12 वृत्तम उपजाति. Krishna, in the fully blossomed wonderful lotus Sampulla Patre, which was supported by your yogic power, arose Brahma, known as Padmajanma. He got a name Padmajan because of this. Sa Padmajanma Vidhi, who is known as the lotus born Brahma, arose with the entire set of Vedas self manifested in him स्वयं प्रबुद्धा किल वेदराशिः सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः सेकेंड स्पीड सम्पुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सपद्मजन्मा विधिराविरासीत् स्वयं प्रबुद्धाखिलवेदराशिः श्लोका 13 वृत्तम उपजाति हे कृष्णा गुरुवायूरप्पा the Lord who lives in Guruvayur, you have great powers, Paratman, in this age known as the Padmakalpe, Nanupadmakalpe. Though you brought into existence the creator Brahma, Udya Pitapadma Yonihi, O Vishnu, who has manifested in Guruvayur, Vatalaya Vasa Vishnu, please remove all my ailments and diseases. Mamaroga Rashim Nirundhi. This is one of the most important shlokas of Narayaniyam. This 13th shloka can be chanted daily with Shraddha, which will cure all our physical and mental diseases and ailments. अस्मिन् परात्मन् ननु पाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्थमुत्थापितपद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमाममरोगराशिं निरुन्धिवातालयवासविष्णो सेकेंड स्पीड अस्मिन् परात्मन् ननु पाद्मकल्पे त्वमित्थमुत्थापितपद्मयोनिः अनन्तभूमाममरोगराशिं निरुन्धिवातालयवासविष्णो सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.